Hey, what's up, you guys? Today we're going to be drawing this Sonic. So grab your Sharpie and some markers and let's get started. I'm going to come right up here and I'm going to start on his muzzle. I'll draw a C shape right here for his cheek. I'll make a large curved line and connect it to the C shape I just made. Now I'll make a smaller curved line right here. I'll leave a space and make an S curve to connect his cheek. Now let's make a tiny bean shape for his nose right here. Inside his nose, we'll make a small oval for the highlight. Let's fill in everything except for the small oval. Right above his nose, I'll make a small half oval for his eye. Then I'll make another one and fill it in. Now let's come over here and make a slightly larger one. Next we'll make a smaller one and fill it in. Let's come over here and make a large U shape and just go right past his pupil. Let's make a curved line right here to finish his eyes. I'll make a curved line right here for his eyebrow. From this point, I'll make another curved line for his eyebrow. Let's draw a slanted line right here for his mouth. Let's draw a triangle for his ear. How am I doing so far? Post in the comments below. Let's make a straight line right here coming off of his ear. Then we'll bring another line over to this point here. Now we'll draw a line from this point and connect the two. Let's make an upside down check mark and bring the line to this point right about here. Now I'll draw another line from here to this point. Now let's bring a curved line right here all the way down to this point. And then another one right here, like this. Let's make a triangle shape for his last spike. Oops, I forgot his other ear. Let's draw another triangle inside of his ear. Coming off of his head, I want to draw a line like this. Now I want to make an L shape coming off of that line like this. Let's make a rounded rectangle shape for his finger. Let's make a couple slightly larger ones next to that finger. Now I'll bring a line around like this for that last finger. Let's make a tiny line connecting his body to his head. I'm going to make a J-shaped line like this to show the finger on his other hand. Let's bring a line down from this point here. Now I'll bring a line from that finger down to this point here. Let's make a line like this for the top of his glove. Now we'll bring two slanted lines down like this. From this point here, we're going to make a triangle shape. Now I'll draw a line down to connect the two. Let's make a line like this to show the fur on his chest. I'm going to make two lines like this to show the inside of his glove. Now I'm going to make a large L shape like this and close it off. Let's bring a large straight line down like this for his leg, and then we'll make another one right here. I'll make a triangle shape right here for his tail. Now I'll make a straight line like this and another one like this to connect his legs. Let's make a curved line like this to close off his leg. Then we'll bring another one around like this. And again on this side. Let's make a triangle shape like this for the bottom of his sock. Now we're going to want to draw in the stripe on his sneaker, like this. Starting from this point here, let's bring a curved line up to the stripe. Now I'm going to curve a line around like this. I want to make a small little bump like this for the back of a sneaker, and then bring a line over to connect the two. Let's make a V shape at the bottom of this leg like this. Now let's bring a shape around like this. I'll bring a line down right here. And now I'll make another line right here to kind of match it. Let's make a curved line right here, like this. And another one right here, like that. Now I'm going to bring a line down right here and connect the two. Let's make a curved line right here, and another one right here for the stripe on his sneaker. Wow, he looks great. Let me see yours in the comments. Now it's time to color. Who should I draw next? Let me know in the comments below. I'll be posting 1 to 2 videos every week. Alright, here he is. Please like and subscribe for more content. Thank you and have a great day.
Dad Doodles, let's draw today. Sketch it out the fun that way.